It's amazing. They see this piece of equipment and the first question they ask is, what is that? As you can see, we've got some tire wear on the right front wheel.
When I saw it for the first time, it was like a movie from the future, breaking down every single piece of like what needs to be fixed.
Definitely want to talk about doing an alignment.
It gave me a good sense of like, hey, there's an issue on the outside of the vehicle, dent on the hood, the sides.
We went ahead and we scanned the total exterior of the body.
UVeye has changed us in a very special way. We were the test pilot for our entire company, so we found it to be very successful, because it wasn't coming from a human 2 hours later about what was right or wrong with their vehicle. It came right away.
The pictures that it takes underneath is kind of crazy. I remember the first time I saw it, you just drive through it and you can already see leaks and things underneath the vehicle.
This piece of equipment has allowed us to really engage the customer in ways that they've never been engaged before.
So with sales, it gives us a really good tool, and it's mostly all based on trade appraisals, but it gives us a good tool to justify trade valuations.
It's really helped us hit the number right away and not miss on those trades. Just made that feedback so much more valuable and just credible.
When you have a machine that actually tells you like, hey, this is everything that's good with the vehicle, that's what's bad with the vehicle, and actually giving you a true value of what to sell it for.
I feel like automotive has a lot of separation between the people that work on the cars and the people that are having their cars worked on, and there's a lot of distrust in the community for automotive technicians, which is kind of hard for us to build up a reputation for. So having something like that just helps solidify that we have your best interest in mind and we are full forthcoming with everything. You know, I feel like it helps a lot with that.